Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the map in the FlixBus, where you can see the stops, stations nearby or all over the countries. You open the app. Then you scroll down a little and here is your map, and you have to tap on explore, and you can select a departure city, for instance Budapest. And here all the green dots are a stop, a station for the FlixBus. And here, if you are going, for example, from Budapest to Slovakia, and you are selecting a city in here, you are just tapping on the green little dot, and you can search how much it would cost you this ride, and you can book. Also from here you can see in my previous video how you can book a trip. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.